If you've ever tried to explain what a narcissist has done to you and been met with this confusion, disbelief or silence, you're not alone. And no, it is not because you didn't explain it well. It is because these people, they're trained, highly skilled at flying under the radar. Narcissists, and especially the covert ones, they are experts in impression management. They know how to say the right things at the right time. They play the victim, they cry on cue, they're rational, they're calm, while you look emotionally unstable. This is exactly why the systems designed to help, like courts, police, therapists, social workers, they often end up helping the abuser instead. And here's why it happens. The thing is that most professionals were never trained to recognize covert narcissism. Many psychologists who trained some years ago, they only got a very brief clinical overview of narcissism. And usually it focused on the grandiose, loud, aggressive behavior. They never learned how these personalities operate in legal, social, or professional environments. They were more focused on the relationships with the partner, or parents, or siblings. Narcissists perform extremely well in public spaces. They don't walk into court yelling. They walk in with a clean shirt, calm tone, and a story that paints you as unstable, dramatic, or bitter. Institutions, they often rely on surface behavior, not patterns. They assess credibility based on how someone behaves in the moment, not the long-term pattern of control, manipulation, and abuse. And since trauma can make you emotional, fragmented, or even freeze up, your behavior can end up looking much worse than theirs. They exploit gaps in knowledge. Most systems, they're not trained in narcissistic abuse, darvo, or legal coercion. They don't recognize how abusers bait, distort, and build false narratives over time. And that means the victims are often dismissed, blamed, or re-traumatized. That is why I wrote Narcissism and the Law. This book explains why these systems get it wrong and how you can protect yourself within them. You will learn how to document, how to stay calm under pressure, and how to name the tactics narcissists use to manipulate not just you, but everyone around you. So if you felt invisible, blamed, punished for telling the truth, this book will show you that you're not crazy, you're not overreacting. The system was just not designed to see what you have lived. But once you see it clearly, you can navigate it with strength. You can buy it and read the first chapter on narcissismandthelaw.com.